Hey guys, welcome back to yet another helpful video of Quick Guide, and in this video I am going to show you how to create forms in ClickUp. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. In order to create forms, you just simply have to open your ClickUp application at first, and after opening the application, just simply select a space where you want to create the form. Then after selecting your space, just simply tap into this plus icon and then you will get the option of form into here. Just simply tap into that form option and this tab will appear into here. Now you can edit your form from here. First of all, enter your task name, then task description, then start date, due date, attachment, assignees, and then tags. Then upload the status, and after doing all this, you can preview it from here. Just simply fill up all the details and click to submit button. Then after filling up all these details, your form will successfully be created. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.